So hello everyone, we are back in the another video, and in this video I will tell you about the filters that I am using, and I would try to do my best to show these filters, but don't rely on these filters. Basically in the Dex Screener, every time there is new strategy, and every time there is new play, and every time there is new things that is coming. And yeah, so first of all I would say thank you to show me support. And there are so many people that is asking me the silly questions like this is they are just coming to see my short, and they just see that I have a fake balance. Yeah brother, this is the fake balance. It is only for the marketing purposes, but the real balance, I am more richer than you. So if you want to learn, there are many people that are learning and from me, and there are many people that are making money, and you guys can also make money. And yeah, so if you want to say that silly question, I cannot answer it. But if you want to really learn, then you can just subscribe to my channel, otherwise you can fuck off. And let's start the video. So first of all, guys, my peoples, like first of all you need to switch the liquidity to the 80,000. The reason is we can find a good coin, and the market cap will be like 300k to 700 million. The reason is that we can trade it for the long term purposes. Like for example, if one coin is registered in the exchange, then we can make a good amount of money, like chunks. And so these are the things that you need to know while trading the meme coin. No one is telling you. And yeah, so and the pairage is almost very good. And I guess we can also select the 40. So let's check what we can find. As you can see, we find that we find a Luma AI alive. Let's open the like for example, I would not open these coin. I have mistakenly opened this. The reason is simple: they are boosted, and many of these coins are boosted. So you guys can try the minimum like 50 or something like 100, and you can find a very good coins right here. For example, if you can see, like there's many of them, guys, you can see. And there are many of the coins that have funny names, and let's see. And I think that the AI coin is very trending. And let's switch to the on platform filters, Solana, and let's see what it will show us. Yeah. Pussy AI, wow, nice name. So many of the like meme coin, you can see there are very good names. And you can find, you need to look with the AI build. You need to see a coin. I can give you a tip. You need to see a coin, whether it's a meme coin or AI coin. You need to see behind the project is the actual utility, actual use case. If the project has the actual use case and have a good website, then it is good to go, guys. You can go all in, and you need to be very bullish on this, because you know what they are doing. And you should ask them in the telegrams, and use some twitters and something like that to see what they are doing. Like for example, if we just open this, yeah, so I think these are the coin that we can see. So first of all, this coin, let's see and open the current chart. And what you can do is use my strategy. Basically it will go down right now. Basically it will go down, and then there is a small chance to go up. And you can just see, don't buy this coin right now. So first of all, just draw the trend lines and the things. And let me just close this thing. and let me just draw the horizontal line. It can give us the clear corrections and points and the stuff like that, and yeah. So as you know, we have just brought the trend lines and the stuff. So first of all, we need to see if the price just come and touches the previous trend line and just reverts back, then we can take entry here on this point, and we can take entry in there. And if the price manages to get back from upward trend, then we can take entry on the long position, and we will know that the price will go up. So these are some strategies that I am just using with the high capital. Basically, these are the strategies you can use with the highest capital. You can see there is lock, liquidity is lock, but if you guys can see, there is no website. So this is the red flag, and we will avoid this. So let's check this one. I would open this website. You will if you want to see a good project, you can see their website, and if the website is very good, you can see researching recent from organization holder discovery. Okay, just simple chatbot, and I don't know, it's not good. So basically this is a scam project, I think. So let's see this. Yeah, this is the not good project. It's a fraud. And let's see this project, it's also a fraud. We can take a look on this, but it is also a like unhuman type of pattern. I guess it's the same websites. Yeah, let's see this thing. I don't know why people just used to buy these type of coin, like which has the useless purposes. Not just bad, just a bad coin, guys. Not so good. We need to find a website that is appealing to design, that is a good website, and you can see they just work like this one. See, this is called the website, guys. See, this is a project. So what we can do, we just need to go and just buy this coin and just see their details, what they can do, and see if we just click on the Yumigo, we can see, wow, cool website. So let's see. Can you give me which are the best? So it will take some time. Basically, they are new to this project, and we will see if it's good or not, if it manages to get the reply. And yeah, so if it manages to get the reply, yeah, finally someone recognized me. Freedom, hi, thank you for the existence in the visual trap. Yumiko identify. Okay, so let's check first. Give me top AI agent coins. Let's check. I don't know why. So I can Yumiko, I am scientist and really need your help to providing help. You might wondering, I have life. Okay, how are you? You need to check this thing. Oh dear, I am human. Oh dear human, I am Yumiko. I share my world with you. Can you give me knowledge? So let's see what they say. If it's work properly, then it's quite good. Sometimes the project might work slow, or the website might work slow. The reason is that there are many people of them are using this website, and we can do a trade. And it's a good project. I think it's a quite good project, and first requirement is fulfilled. Basically, it manages to get the support from here, and the support from here, and there's a resistance area, and there is also a support area. There's a resistance. I will just placing the every pattern that we can place and do a short-term trading purposes. Like for example, if the price manages to get break above, I will take place here, and I will take place here, then it will go up. So these are some simple strategies that you can use and make some quite a good money on these type of coin basically. And let me just check, it is just 4 hours and 4 minutes ago, and it is crazy guys, it is crazy coin, and I think it is quite good. And greens, yeah. So these are the type of things, and I will show you how you can do a next strategy. So the next strategy is very simple, and it is basically the you can say a simple one. So first of all, you need to clear every filters, and then just go the volume, see which coins have the most volume and their age. For example, like see the Hario terminal, let's see what is it and what it can do. Let's open this website. So you need to see where the smart money is investing their money, and it has the potential to go up to the 47 million. For example, like this one, that they have no website, and let's go to another Aura coin. So see, Aura coin is not working right now. Let's go down and see if we can find the new narrative or something like that, like C cluster. Let's check this coin. So it's probably a dumb coin. So you can see on the longer time frame, you can see there is a potential breakouts or everything that you need to know. If the potential breakouts is going to happen, you guys can make quite a good lot of money. And let me just check by the age first. Let's check this coin and see the project details first. Agent. So basically this is the agent coin, and which is the trending right now day by days. Okay, it is offering the various type of thing, and start with the vision agent. So these websites are type of slow website, but very good. And they are basically on the Telegram. And let's see their vision, our ultimate creator personal agent every user. So let's see their outcome. Yeah, it's a new coin. It's only 1 hour 3 minutes ago, and it's quite go high. And these are something that you need to know. And let's check the holder first. Yeah, 11%, 3%, 1.2%. So these are the coin that you must see, and their liquidity is low, and their liquidity is very low. And what we can go see, if it manages to get the 100 million attention, you can guys easily do 100x. And this is the simplest 100x strategy that you can use. For example, if the price if the token is manages to get the AI update or something like that, like similar to the coins, so you can make a quite a good amount of money, and you can do like 100x. So these are the things that no one is telling you. Everyone is lying, and I don't know why the people just fucking believe on the YouTubers that are showing their Solana. So basically, I will tell you the truth. Everyone you just watching doing streaming on the YouTube and just saying that they turn just 13 Solana into 100 Solana. So basically, if you convert the 13 Solana, you can see there how much money it is. So it is very difficult. So I don't know why the stupid people just ask me like, if we just guys like there was some comment like you are showing the fake balances, and I don't know it is real. So guys, just you don't know what I know. So that's why I am teaching you, and the people just used to watch my video and giving me so much love. So there are many of people that if your capital is like low guys, For example, there are people like saying that they have a $1 or $2 or $7 to invest. I would suggest that you should not invest your money into these coin. These coin is the highest risk and the potential, because if you are investing your savings into these type of coin, you will lose your money. And 100%, do not lose your money and save your investment, and save everything, guys. Save every single penny, and just focus on the income stream. Then invest in the Bitcoin or something like that and crazy stuff. So if you have the spare amount of money, then you can invest in the crypto. And like me, I have a software agency, and basically in UK, and yeah, I am doing some software shits, and this is my side hustle, guys. This is my side hustle. So this is the sad reality that no one is telling you, and many of the people is losing money. And if you see the many of the YouTubers, they are not rich from the crypto. They are only use, and they only reach from the referral link. Basically, they send the referral link to their users and their community, and when the user and the community just sign in, they just make money from every single trade. They just make money. So that's why, guys, just please be aware of the scammers, and be aware of the YouTubers that you are following. And it is not easy, guys. It is not easy. I am telling you, it is a very hard process. And if you just see the streamer that is turning from $10 into 100, they have experience. The reason is behind is the experience, and you guys do not have the experience. So if you like my video, make sure you guys like and subscribe and follow me for more.